Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open a global till and then close it at the end of the night. So first thing we're going to do is log into the operations menu, just like that. And then we're going to tap on till management on the left-hand side. You can individually put the quantities in here, like say if you got, 15 $5 bills, just click in the box and type 15, and then it'll do the math for you, or you can simply type in your 150 over here. It is very important that you turn this on for when you open the till. Global till means that the till is used by everybody who logs into that POS. If you don't turn on global till, then what will happen is only the transaction of the person who opened the till will count towards that till. So it's very important to turn that on. All right. Then you just click continue, and now the till is open and you're ready to go about your transactions for the day. And then, you just go ahead. We'll go ahead and take a couple of transactions. Let's see here. All right. Cast that out. And we can log out, log in as a different user. And we'll go ahead and bring up something else. Just like that. Done. Cash it out. Enter. And we can bring up something else. All right. So now we've come to the end of the day. We bring up all our transactions for the day. Everything's ready to go. This is when the closing manager is going to come in and they're going to go ahead and log into the operations. Tap on till management, highlight the till that's open, and then tap on close till. And yes, you can choose to enter the quantities over here once again, and it'll automatically do the math for you of what's in the drawer, or you can simply type in the amount of cash that's in the drawer. And after that, you're going to click continue. It's going to bring you to this screen. Only two things you need to do on this screen is hit print, and that will print out the report, and then hit submit to go ahead and finalize the closing of that drawer. Once you do that, you simply come up here, hit log out, and you're done. And that's how you open a global till and then close it at the end of the night.